So guys, the very first thing you have to do is just download this Xmas Christmas camera preset from ashvircreations rare file. Also the camera Xmas mobile Lightroom preset, also the Christmas Lightroom preset for your desktop from ashvircreations.com. Now we're gonna install the desktop Lightroom preset to our PC, so just right click on it and select extract here. Also do the same process on this rare file of the camera, so just do the right click and select extract here. So it will extract the folder that is Xmas Lightroom preset from ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com. When you will open the folder, you will find fp xmas avc 2020.lr template. FP stands for filter preset and AVC stands for ashvircreations.lr template is the extension for your desktop Lightroom. Now we're gonna install this preset to our PC Lightroom. So go to the C drive, select the user, go to the ashvircreation, go to the app data folder, select the roaming, go to the Adobe and select the Lightroom folder. From there just go to the develop preset. Now here you can paste inside any of the folder, but I have already made a folder that is FP 2020. You can make a new folder by yourself with any name. Now I'm gonna paste this preset inside this folder. Now let's just restart the Lightroom and let's see how it actually looks if you apply the preset to your photos. So here I have already imported some of the photos to Lightroom. Now from the preset tab here, FP 2020 folder, you can find FP Xmas AVC 2020. Alright, now we're gonna install a preset, apply this preset to this photo. So just click on this and you are done, guys. You can see the difference. It is really an amazing presets, guys. Let's try it on this photograph. Click on the preset and you are done. It will actually kind of blow up and kind of enhance the photo and give it a kind of amazing and creative look. Let's apply the preset to this photo and you can see the difference, guys. Here was the very dead and desaturated photo, and this by applying the preset to the photo is totally turned into a kind of brighten and amazing kind of look, which you can place here, which you can make an Instagram feed to a kind of unique and amazing Christmas theme. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on this and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. It is really looking very, very amazing. Let's try it on this photograph. Just click on this and you are done, guys. You can see the difference. Here was the before and here is the after. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on this and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. Let's try it on this photograph. So guys, you can see it is really giving a photo an amazing look. You can also try this to your portraits or kind of unique portfolios. Let's try it on this. Just click on this and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. It is really looking very, very creative and amazing, guys. Let's try it on this. Wow, guys, this preset is a dope, which I personally handcrafted for you guys. Now we're gonna install the camera preset to our Photoshop. So here select download this camera preset rare file, and when you will extract you will get the folder. Now .xmp is the extension for the camera preset. Alright, now we're gonna just install this. So just right click on it and select copy, and here we have gone to that Lightroom folder. Here instead of going to Lightroom, we're gonna go to the camera and just go to the settings and just paste that preset or the Christmas preset over here. You can see FP Xmas AVC 2020. Alright, guys, now if you want to apply, you can see. Let's restart your Photoshop and let's see how it actually looks. Let's take some of the example photos. Open to our gallery. Let's take some of the photos. Here is Xmas. Let's try some of the images here and see how it actually looking with the help of Photoshop. Let's just drag and drop over here. Now here go to the filter, select the camera filter and just go to the settings or the preset tab, that is the last one. Now here you have to go to the FP Xmas AVC 2020. Now just click on this and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. It is really giving an amazing touch to the photo. Now if you want to apply the preset to this photo here, directly just go to the filter and select the camera filter. So you can just apply the previous preset which you have used. Let's do the same process on this filter and directly the camera filter, and you are done. You can see the difference, guys. Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, and if you still not subscribed yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera presets, Lightroom presets, LUTs and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. Also guys, don't forget to check out our website, that is filterpreset.com. On that website also we gonna upload soon the most creative and the powerful presets. So stay tuned on that website also. And also guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.